G'day guys, Scott from Haltech here. Well, today we got something pretty special in the mail. This is something that comes from YouTube. We've got 100,000 YouTube subscribers. So that puts us in a pretty special field with about 100,000 other channels that entertain 100,000 people every time we put a video out. So I just wanted to take the time to say thanks so much for you guys for subscribing. Thanks to Matt and Richard who do a heap of the Haltech videos. There's a lot of people behind this and I really appreciate that everyone puts in so much time and effort to make all the videos look great. And thank you for watching and getting a bit of more of an idea about what we do here at Haltech and the sort of stuff that we're making for you guys race cars. So thanks very much for subscribing. We've got a lot more coming, so keep on watching. See you later.
VTech, yo.
Let's go.
Come with?
No, I'm scared. Richard here for another Haltech workshop for Queen Bien to talk, no, Extreme Street Performance. Here for another Michael, thanks for having us a quick.
We're here at Sydney Dragway for the Haltech drag.
Now you've done it.
We don't need to know that.
Me.
You've got the idea.
I'm getting interrupted here.
In Freddie Carvin's S15, 14.
Don't call it a 15, he'll correct you.
Here we go, we're mad. Dinky faces. When it's sort of the pattern. Oh, sorry.
What the f are you doing, Greg? I'll start that again.